It's always something. Hi, good morning. It's been a while na hindi ako nakapag-post. Happy Tuesday. So I hope you choose to be good, to be great, to be happy, to love. Basta. Choose something good today that would enlighten the world. So, ayun, it is always something. So, everyday meron akong binabasa na book. Hindi naman siya yung I think sobrang dami, just one page at a time, parang everyday siya. Then it goes with reading ng Bible verse, ano siya, parang nagbabasa ko ng Bible pero parang isang verse lang tapos next day ganun ulit. So dun sa book na yun, uh, yung specific na book is If You Want to Make a Difference I Would. Yan yung parang cover niya at yung subject. So parang it's always something. So yung thought lang naman doon sa passage na yon is parang sa lahat ng mga gagawin, isipin mo parang may something talaga di ba? Parang same goes with people. If you do something or wala kang mang gagawin, parang may sasabihin siya. So same goes dun sa mindset natin. Parang it's always something. If you think of good things, positive things, you will get positive results. Pag negative naman, di ba, parang ang bigat. So there's always something talaga. So it's your choice. Ano ba yung pipiliin mo? Ano yung that would make a difference? Di ba? Yung good, yung pipiliin mo, yung something positive. So I guess as you walk today, choose something good today. Ayun lang. Good luck. Anyong ma. Bye bye.